Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to set up Trello's card notifications. This will ensure you never miss an update on your project's progress. Our first step is to log into your Trello account. It's crucial that you're logged in to the correct account where you want the notifications to be active. Once logged in, navigate to your Trello board. This is where all your projects live, and choosing the right board is essential for setting up notifications for the correct project. Now that we've done that, click on the card for which you want to enable notifications. This could be any ongoing task or project that you need to stay updated on. The reason we do this is to ensure you receive updates only for the tasks that matter most to you. Within the card, you'll see a subscribe button on the right-hand side menu. Click on it. Subscribing to a card is like bookmarking it for updates, so you're always in the loop on any changes, comments, or activity. Next up, let's head over to the settings. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then click on Settings. Here's where we'll refine the type of notifications you receive. In Settings, you'll find a section called Notifications. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of options. Choose Instant if you want to be notified about updates right away, or periodic if you prefer a summary at regular intervals. This helps us because it allows you to tailor the frequency of notifications to your preference. Let me explain why this matters. Instant notifications are best for time-sensitive projects, while periodic notifications are great for long-term projects where you don't need minute-by-minute updates. And that's it. You've now set up Trello's card notifications. Remember, these steps help you stay on top of your tasks and ensure you're always updated on your project's progress. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next guide. Until then, happy organizing with Trello.